The next technique that I will teach you is how to roll your gluteus maximus muscle while using a foam roller. This one I believe is fairly easy to learn and to remember how to do. So once you commit this to memory, you should have no problem doing this on your own at any time when you need to do it. The style that I will teach you covers one glute max muscle at a time. I find this style to be safer, and it allows you to concentrate more pressure into one glute while keeping it safe. The reason that I find it safer to do one side at a time is, first off, I can't see what everybody's body types are like, and second off, I know some of you are going to be a little more sensitive in your tailbone area, which is made up of two bones, the sacrum and the coccyx. These bones are close to the surface, and they're smack dab right between the two glute muscles. So you avoid them and avoid any injury to them by just doing one side at a time. We're going to keep it safe. To do this particular technique, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have a foam roller near you, just like that one right there, and a soft surface like the mat I've been going to over the last few videos. Now, if you don't have a soft floor and you're using a mat, there are a few things you want to make sure in your technique. First off, make sure that your roller is fully on the mat. Second off, when you get on top of it and you sit on it, you want both your feet and your arms to also make contact with the mat. If part of you is on it and part of you is off it, then what you do is you set yourself up to possibly injure yourself, and we don't want to do that. So now, let's get down on it. You're going to sit on that roller, then make sure your feet are wide. You'll shift your weight to one side. So now I've shifted to my right, which is away from the camera, and I'm doing compressions right in there, right? I can move and get different parts of my glute. It'll take, for most of you, about 2 to 3 stops in 2 to 3 areas to get your glute. Some of you larger people, it'll take a little bit more than that to cover the area. So now, once you do that, if you want to not compress and you want to do something more active, because you got to do something like deadlift or use your glutes, you know, maybe you're going to be in a twerk contest, you know, you just want to do some active rolling on it to break up any adhesions and bring some fresh blood flow into it, so that way, you're ready to go. Then, once you're done, you switch, you shift your weight to the other side. Now I've shifted to my left. As you see, my arm and my shoulder are properly stacked, providing support for my lower half. And now I move, I roll, and I release. Then after about 30 to 60 seconds, you can stop, come off your foam roller, and then you have just rolled your glutes.